In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find answers faster with AI in Slack. When conversations pile up across channels and threads, it becomes really easy for important decisions, documentation links, and project updates to get buried. Instead of digging through message after message with basic keyword searches, you can use AI inside Slack to surface the answer much faster and with a lot less effort. Let's start with Slack's native AI search and summary features. If your workspace already has Slack AI enabled, open the Slack desktop app or sign in through your browser. Then click into the main search bar at the top of the workspace. You can also use the shortcut Command and G on Mac or Control and G on Windows to jump there quickly. Once you're in the search bar, don't just type a loose keyword. Ask a full natural language question the same way you would ask a teammate. For example, you might ask where the latest documentation folder is or what decision was made about a workflow update last week. After typing your question, press enter to run the search. At the top of the results, Slack AI will often generate a summary before showing individual messages. This is helpful because it gives you a direct, readable answer instead of forcing you to piece everything together manually. Take a moment to read through that summary and pay close attention to the citation markers attached to it. Those references link back to the original messages or threads, so you can verify the source and check the full context if needed. Another great feature is AI thread or channel summarization. If you open a busy channel with a huge backlog of unread messages, go into that channel and look toward the upper right area of the conversation window. Click the Summarize Channel button. Slack will scan the conversation and build a private summary that highlights the main decisions, assigned action items, and any open issues still being discussed. This is one of the fastest ways to catch up without scrolling endlessly. If your workspace doesn't use Slack AI, you can still create a useful AI-powered workflow. Set up a channel canvas as a kind of internal wiki space. In the canvas, type a / on a blank line and choose Add Workflow. From there, configure the form so it captures the text extraction details you need, like context range or message timing. Next, connect that workflow to an automated webhook integration or an external routing tool. When someone runs the workflow, it can collect the relevant channel history and return a clean, organized markdown note with the key details. A few shortcuts can make this even faster day to day. You can summarize a thread by right-clicking the root message and choosing Summarize Thread. You can narrow search results by adding filters like a channel name or sender. And inside a channel canvas, you can use the /menu to summarize chat context into a persistent note. That is all. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.